Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to be doing something simple and quick. So during my search for something less mainstream and unique, I found this Philippine brand, Islamorena Hair. They deal in human hair extensions and they've been catering to Nigerian hair enthusiasts for years. And they sent me their unit, which is named after Nigeria's biggest city. This is the Lagos Coral. It comes as a bundle of 4 with each pre-plucked frontal. Now, my favorite thing about this hair is the density. Okay, now before we get into the details of the installing, let's just do like a quick unboxing, right? Okay, so I finally got my package, yeah, and they're like 4 bundles, yeah. There are 2 bundles that are 18 inches and 2 bundles that are 20 inches, right? And then it comes with a pre-plucked frontal. As you can see, this is the bundle with 20 inches, and this other one is a bundle with 18 inches. Plenty so far just to make your money. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor. Okay, now the hair is out. You can see how lush and shiny it looks. They're like cute curls at the tips, and the hair is just giving everything already, and I don't even have it on yet. Okay, now the texture is slightly coarse, but you hardly even notice. And this is the pre-plucked frontal, right, that the hair comes with. So it just makes everything quick, stress-free. And oh please, who doesn't like a pre-plucked frontal, especially when it's 20 inches long? Because tell you straight, you are not my bitch. If you become a shall be head of state. For my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Okay, now I know this is supposed to be like a DIY video, but for this part I didn't do it by myself. I actually gave the wig to someone to wig for me, right? Because I'm in my stress-free era. Okay, I'm just gonna install it myself, but I gave it to someone else to wig it for me. I mentioned the density earlier, but that's not even the best part of this hair, trust me. But before I get to that part, while you're here, please comment, subscribe, like, turn on your notification bells, okay? Alright, now please, while you're here, kindly comment and let me know what glue you use, because this glue was not gluing the way I wanted it to. Please just help a sister and comment. Tell me what glue you use. Just put me on, please. Thank you. I know you've been seeing me fan my hair like I am fighting for my life, but I saw somewhere that it's better to air dry because there's already so much on your hair, so you're better off without using heat, right? So we're going to test that theory now. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I'm trying to achieve something quick and simple. This is me getting ready for my lunch date with my girlfriend, and the theme is simple girl aesthetic, right? So I am not going to do too much today, just a quick install. And the reason I choose this particular hair for my look today is because of its unique features. Aside the fact that the volume of the hair gives it this gorgeous full look, it has these cute curls at the tips that just never leave. They stay there whether you wash the hair, you straighten it. It just always comes back to those natural curls at the tips, giving the hair a 2-in-1 look, like making it look like a bone straight and a curly hair at the same time. You see where I'm getting at? That's like the biggest flex of owning this kind of hair. And as you can see now, I have successfully achieved my simple girl aesthetic look. I am loving it, guys. Don't sleep on this hair. I love everything about this look because everything is simple. My makeup is, just mild.
And then I have my all white accessories. It's just giving everything. In short, this look deserves, like, you deserve to see my full look, and I'm going to show you that just right now.
want job life, I want buy motor, I want.
As you can see, I didn't have to do too much to the hair. I just installed it, and it's giving this exotic look, kind of like the city girl Moana look vibe, you know. You can shop this hair using the link in my description. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bells, okay? Bye.